took a lot of video. Hey, what up guys? So basically, I made a video quite a while ago, well it was quite a couple weeks ago, that was basically for the team, for recruitment, and just basically a really cool recap of just like my time here and just like the team as a whole, and really encapsulates like what every team, like every running team kind of is. It shows like behind the scenes of us practicing to competing, and I thought I captured like just kind of like the energy of track and field and cross country really well in that video, and even the song I used was really awesome. But of course the video got copyright claimed. I wasn't being smart. I didn't check if I could use the video or get the licensing for it, and I tried to get the licensing, but I'm just a little guy, so I couldn't get the licensing, so that was pretty unfortunate. So it's just kind of been sitting on my computer for a while, and basically I found a new song to use, Andy Mineo's Say Less with Wordplay. So I mean, the song, like, see, the thing is when you get like a whole new song, you gotta make sure the beat lines up, because I've already edited the old video like to the beat of the other song, the old song. So now with the new song, I needed to align everything up. I needed a song that like fit kind of perfectly with it. It works okay, but instead of spending a bunch of time re-editing, because if anyone out there has edited this much before, you realize that it takes a lot of time to put something like this together, especially when you're talking about footage from the past, all the way to the future, and cropping out all the perfect parts that you want to use. So I mean, it takes a lot of time. So I'm really hoping that you guys enjoy it. It doesn't match the energy I really wanted it to, but the beat follows along. I really wanted to have like a more of an emotional vibe to it, more like capturing just kind of like the energy, and just, I don't know. I think the song works pretty well, so hope you enjoy it. So roll it.